I'm going to dive into a small pantry organization I did for a friend of mine, and hoping some of the tips I will share can help you if you're on the journey to decluttering or reorganizing your pantry as well. This is her pantry before. She has a closet-type pantry next to her fridge with a good amount of space. On the top, there are big appliances that is going to stay in that alignment because they won't fit anywhere else in her kitchen. But I am going to be organizing the next 4 shelves. She had these brown wicker bins, but she wanted to use them for something else in her home. And I will be keeping the very bottom clear of anything. If she decides to place any items down there, she may, but for me, I suggested an easy to clean approach since that is the floor space. Crumbs and dust can roam through, and without anything on the floor, she can easily vacuum or sweep it. And off I went to one of my go-to stores. I am always on the lookout for the best prices possible for items, especially when I need them for a client. The container stores sometimes have good deals. If you're looking for a specific container or bin, they will most likely have it. First, I took everything out of the pantry, looked through them and to make sure everything was to date, and then I categorized them. These cereal containers were from Amazon. I'll put the link of that on the description box if you're interested in purchasing it as well. These are the OXO pop-top containers. I also have this in our pantry at home. This is a great way to get rid of that bulky packaging from your dry food, and it does a good job on keeping it fresh since it's airtight seal. These are a little on the pricey side, but if you want to compare prices, I've found them at Costco, Target, Amazon, and even HomeGoods. After getting rid of everything that was expired and anything open is going to go into that OXO pop-top containers, these are the ones we will be keeping and arranging back in the pantry. Having the pantry cleared out, this was also a good time to quickly clean the shelves of any dirt, leftover crumbs, or anything sticky that might have leaked from any of the food. I started placing the bins and containers to see which layout would be the best we can use the space, and then I went ahead and arranged everything back. This 3-tier expandable shelf is also from the Container Store, and I thought it would be a good use of space, not only vertically, but you can also easily see the cans laid out. This is the finished space. Everything is compartmentalized, and I feel that that's the best way to organize a pantry. Labeling these bins are important, especially because we pick bins that are not so see-through, because I recommend containers that hide the items inside them, so when you open your pantry, you don't get overwhelmed with the amount of food you have in there, but this is also a great way to limit the amount of food you put in there. And I still kept that floor space clear. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on this pantry organization. Please hit that like button if you did, and I'll see you on the next one.